In this video, I will show you how to create an InVideo AI account. So I'll leave a link to this specific page down in the description, which is InVideo AI sign up page where you can get started for free. So first of all, you need to choose if you want to join with Google, Apple, or continue by entering an email. I'll just join with Google. And then after you do that, it will take you to your workspace. So they'll have a few questions. First, what should they call you? And what do you want your workspace to be called? Then how did you discover InVideo AI? Then they will ask more about you. So what are you going to use InVideo AI for? So let's say as a content creator. And then what is your year of birth? And then again, click continue. And now it will redirect you to InVideo AI where you can then start using it for creating videos. So that's how to create your InVideo AI account. Again, if you want to get started on the same page that I started at the beginning of this video, I'll leave a link to it down in the description. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.